Introducing the 6 scents of spring and summer: citrus blossom, fresh meadow, rainy days, coastal sunset, lime in the coconut, and sun-kissed. Citrus blossom is bright and bold, with sweet and earthy scents that is reminiscent of a fresh field of blooming wildflowers reaching towards the warm sunshine. Its soft floral notes blend with an earthy and woodsy trope of balsam fir, amyris, cedarwood, and patchouli, with the mood-boosting and invigorating oils of sweet orange and catrafé, providing vibrant, sparkling top notes. Diffuse citrus blossom to enliven your home with the sweet, sunny scent of spring, or add to your favorite DIY body care recipes for a unique, naturally scented product. An enchanting blend of citrus and sweet with a hint of spice, Fresh Meadow is both uplifting and calming to the senses. Like a breath of fresh air whenever you need it, the sunny orange and bergamot mix with the warm, spicy, and floral notes of amyris, ginger, and jasmine. When diffused, Fresh Meadow brings the scent of spring breeze into your home with its blend of bright sunshine, new blooms, and carefree days. Rainy Days is a soft and sweet essential oil blend with a damp, earthy, fir-like undertone. Orange essence, copaiba oleoresin, lemon, fir needle, amyris, hoe wood, and coriander seed come together to create a blend reminiscent of spring days and gentle warm rain showers. Reach for this scent to bring a sense of calm, peace, and tranquility to any space. Sweet, smooth, and slightly tropical, Coastal Sunset transports you to an indulgent getaway where your spirits are lifted and your mind is at ease. With uplifting citrus oils like bergamot, mandarin, and lemon, Coastal Sunset is a mood-boosting treat for the senses. Sweet vanilla and chamomile blend with Himalayan cedarwood and juniper berry to offer a calming, relaxing atmosphere anywhere you happen to be. For an aroma that's sure to bring a smile to your face and put a pep in your step, look no further than our Lime in the Coconut blend. This citrus bouquet of Persian and key limes, sweetened with vanilla and topped with creamy copaiba and Peru balsam, is a delightful treat any time of the year. Like dipping your toes into sun-warmed sand, the uplifting and vibrant aroma is an excellent way to keep your spirits high and energized throughout the day. And finally, is there anything better than the sun shining bright in the sky, warming you up from the inside out? Well, we bottled up that bright and uplifting sensation in our sun-kissed blend. The sweet and citrusy blend of oils encourages a summertime sense of joy and excitement. Maychang and lavender help to soothe and instill a sense of calm, while Peru balsam rounds out the blend with a lovely, sweet, supportive note. You'll love enjoying the carefree, cheerful summer feelings all year round with Sunkissed. You can purchase these wonderful blends individually in the Garden Party or Summer Escape sets, or get all 6 in the Beaches and Blossoms set.